All right, well, thanks for coming. If this is your first time, welcome back. If you're returning or coming back, either way, this is FSD Beta 6. This is the 6th build, 2020.44.15.4, and the 4 is for the beta users. So we're just doing a quick drive today. Okay, so so we're going to be making a left-hand turn here. Okay, it's stop. Okay, and it's checking. Nothing, so it's going to go. That's great. I like the caution. There's a car out here on the right, so it's adjusting a little bit over to the left. We have a pedestrian and a car up here, so we're going to wait. And I love how it marked that it's waiting for our turn. Okay. Now it's going. That's great. So we're just doing a drive here. This is again just trying to show y'all what this is, what the ability is to do. And for some context, I'll just put it this way: I don't just, given family circumstances and personal situation, I don't actually get to do many drives. And so every drive that I do is I do the drive, and I obviously take, put the GoPro on with the intent to post. And so when I post, that means that that it was a very good drive. And again, it's not like I'm driving 15 separate times a day in order to find the best one. So what you're seeing is actually kind of what you're gonna get. All right, so here we had the yellow light. It turned red and it stopped, obviously. We have a biker up there. But yeah, so I think that's why, you can see that things overall are getting better. There's still areas of improvement. I think probably the biggest areas of improvement are, when you make a left turn and then it's gonna go straight to a right turn. Sometimes it'll, jump to that first left lane. Versus I think getting over 1 or 2 lanes, but it has a hard time adjustment sometimes making that turn. I think the other areas, it's still trying to figure out, when it goes down residentials, like when it goes from city to residential, making that clean transition to not necessarily speed up, because as you noticed, which is a good thing, I think in the most scenarios it makes sense, go 0 to 25 kind of quick, but that transition needs to get better. I do think that there's been things that I've seen, for example, where there's like a construction zone, and it will, I need to make a left, but because it's a construction zone, it can't. So those scenarios need to be worked out. I'm trying to think what other areas of improvement. I think it still needs to get a little bit, I can't think of an exact scenario right now, but it still needs to get a little bit smoother to figure out, what do all the lanes mean? Sometimes, like for example, I'm gonna make a right up here. It won't distinguish, the fact that people are making a right up here, and it'll actually go past this light post here and make the right turn. But here it's clean. So here we're going straight. Okay, we have a car coming out, jumping in front, and it's slowed up. That's awesome. That's what you want to see. Okay, got all the way over to the left. So I think those were like the biggest areas of improvement. Yeah, I think those are the ones that come to mind the most right now. But again, 95% of the work that's being done by FSD Beta is it's handling it, and you're gonna hear this again like a champ. All right, so here we're gonna be making a left. That is epic. All right, well, got me there.